Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LAHO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Absolutely beast move here. I mean, just quite impressive. I mean, to think that just on Thursday, the price was flirting with down, here at these levels, and all of a sudden, the price is essentially right back at highs. Not quite, but very, very close. So, I mean, you really couldn't, script up a better close to the week, going into a holiday weekend. By the way, everybody have a great Labor Day weekend. But definitely updates here need to be made. So, for you to do is just use this line up here. Yeah, that level pertains down there, but again, because it was such a beast move, these lines now are kind of irrelevant, and I don't want to cause clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So, we'll just use these for near-term levels. But the next level of resistance is right back to what I've talked about in the past, right up there at 003. And, again, nothing fancy or complicated there. You can see that this afternoon on 3 separate occasions, the price tried to get up through there, couldn't quite do it, but that is just, once again, history repeating itself. So it's become very apparent. And especially, I'm sure if you were watching level 2s, there must be a lot of sellers there on 003. And I'm not saying 003 can't be broken. My point is that according to the story now that's being told to us via the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it is going to be able to, not only break above that level, but be able to stay up above it. As far as levels of support are concerned, preferably speaking, staying up above 0027 would be a nice little sign of power going forward. But as I've talked about time and time again, and I want to talk about it again, because it's always funny, you kind of see social media and message boards, and people are running around, and you can tell who's using charts, who's not, who really has no idea, because, yeah, yesterday's price action, yesterday being Thursday, the price did pull back quite a bit. But as I illustrated in that very video, I said, sure, it pulled back, but I mean, you got to stop and think about where the lows have been over time. And these lows just keep getting higher and higher. Or if you picture those as stair steps, that's what you want to see. And then that played out very perfectly. The chart literally went from those lows, built a new higher stair step, and back up to the highs it went. So we'll see if the price can get up above 003 or not next week. But anyway, look at it. Very, very impressive way to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.